In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Hellofresh discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Hellofresh discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see right here on this website, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with up to 15% discount of your purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this promo code in order to get a 15% discount. Also, if you go back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called voucher codes. And right here, we also have some promo codes and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So right here, all you have to do, for example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount of first box plus a free dessert, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says get code. And here is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code from this button and you can use this one in order to get a 50% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.